Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about looping all sides. Goal: use a for loop to repeat a sequence of commands. In this puzzle, you must collect 4 gems that are located in the same relative locations around a square. You will create a loop that repeats the code below for each of the sides to solve the entire puzzle. Tap in the shortcut bar to add a for loop into your code. 2. Tap the bottom curly brace to select the loop. 3. Tap and hold the curly brace, then drag it downward to pull the existing code to the loop. So, it's obviously telling us to do 4. And how many gems we have to collect is 4. So, if we tap on 4, I don't mean the number, I mean like the actual word. It's actually going to show you it's going to turn red. And then on the bottom curly brace has 2 dots. We pull that down and then we put this in for the code. Now we will have to run the code and see if this is right. And also I don't have fast mode, so it's not really useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!